Why do 70% of Gogh users experience loading issues? We've got the answers. First, check your internet connection. Ensure you're on a stable Wi-Fi network or have strong mobile data. Try toggling Wi-Fi off and on. Next, force close the Gogh app. On Android, swipe up from the bottom and hold, then swipe away the Gogh app. For iOS, swipe up and hold, then swipe the app up to close it. Once closed, restart the app. Sometimes this simple step resolves the issue. For Android users, clear the app's cache. Go to Settings, tap on Apps, find Gogh, then tap Storage and clear cache. Now, check for app updates. Open the Google Play Store or App Store, search for Gogh, and update if needed. If all else fails, restart your device. A quick restart can clear up many issues. Finally, as a last resort, reinstall the Gogh app. Uninstall it, then download it again from the Play Store or App Store. And there you have it! Your Gogh app should be back up and running.